Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati K, Assistant Professor, Department of Shastra and Vaisheshika Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapeth Women's University, Jaipur. So today we will deal regarding the Panchvida Kashaya Kalpanas. So this in Ayurveda Pharmacopoeia, so all the preparations are explained after classifying them under into two broad headings. So in that first one is the fundamental preparations, or it is also called as basic preparations or primary preparations, and second one is that secondary preparations. So here fundamental preparations are Panchvida Kashaya Kalpanas. Nothing but Panchvida Kashaya Kalpanas comes under the fundamental preparations or the basic or the primary preparations. And here secondary preparations are like Vati Kalpana, Avleha, Taila, Krita, Sneha Kalpana, Sandana Kalpanas, etc. comes under the secondary preparations. Next, coming to the word Kashaya. So Kashaya is one among the Shadrasas. So the root term of Kashaya is Kasha or Kashati, means to scrape or to rub or to injure or to kill. Next, Kasa Himsam Karoti iti Kashaya. So that which irritates the throat is Kashaya, and here Kashaya Kalpanas here like irritates the disease condition and removes them away from the body. Next, ka means in Kashaya, ka means kaya and nothing but the body or sharira, and sha means sho anta karmini means destruction, and ya means yantrana or niyantrana means nothing but that which prevents the body from the destruction is Kashaya Kalpana. So next, according to the Acharya Charaka, he has mentioned 5 Kashaya Kalpanas. So the shloka from the Charak Sutra 4th chapter, it is like this: Panchvida Kashaya Kalpanam iti Tadhyatha Swarasa Kalka Shruta Shita Fantasya Kashaya iti. So according to Acharya Charaka, Panchvida Kashaya Kalpanas are 5 numbers. They are Swarasa, Kalka, Shruta, Sheetha, and Fanta. Next, according to Acharya Sharangadhara. So, Sharangadhara Madhyam Khanda, it is mentioned that Adhatah Swarasah Kalkah Kvatasya Himafantake Jneyah Kashayah Panchaite Lagavah Syur Yathotaram. So, according to Sharangadhar, Panchvida Kashaya Kalpanas are 5 in numbers, and they are Swarasa, Kalka, Kvata, Hima, and Fanta. Swarasa is nothing but the juice of the plants, and Kalka is nothing but the medicated paste, and Kvata is nothing but the decoction, and Hima is nothing but the cold infusion, and Fanta is nothing but the hot infusion. Next, according to the Ashtanga Hridaya. So, Ashtanga Hridaya Kalpa, 6th chapter, the Kashaya Kalpanas are 5 number, and shloka is like this: Rasah Kalkah Shrutah Sheetah Fantascha iti Prakalpanaha Panchadahi Evam Kashayanam Purvam Baladikaha. So here Panchvida Kashaya Kalpanas are 5 numbers. They are Rasa, Kalka, Shruta, Sheetha, and Fanta. Next, according to the Arka Prakasha. According to Arka Prakasha, shloka is like this: Dravya Kalpaha Panchada Syat Kalkaschurnam Rasam Tataha Thailam Arkam Kramajneyam Ethotara Gunam Kriyehi. And they are Kalka, Churna, Rasa, Taila, and the Arka. Next, coming to the Shadvida Kashaya Kalpana. So, Shadvida Kashaya Kalpana is mentioned in Shushruta Samhita. So, according to Acharya Shushruta, Sutrasthana 44 chapter 91 shloka number, the Shadvida or the 6 types of Kashaya Kalpanas are shloka is like this: Kshiram rasah kalkamathu kashayah shrutascha sheetascha tathaiva fantam कल्पाः षडैथे खलु वैशजानां यथोत्तरं ते लघवः प्रतिष्ठाः. So 6 kashaya kalpanas are Kshira and Swarasa, Kalka, Shrutha, Sheetha, Fanta. These are the 6 kashaya kalpanas according to the Acharya Shushruta. Next, according Saptavida Kashaya Kalpana. Saptavida is nothing but the 7 types of Kashaya Kalpanas. So according to the Kashyapa, so he's mentioned Churna, Sitha, Swarasa, Abhisava, Fanta, Kalka and Kvata. These are the 7 Kashaya Kalpanas according to the Kashyapa. So, Panchvida Kashaya Kalpanas are nothing but the basic or the primary preparations of Vaishya Kalpana and which are accepted and followed here. Guruta and Viryata descend the order given below, like here. Swarasa is the most potent and Guru, but Phanta is the least potent and Guru. So, Swarasa is the juice which is most potent and the Guru, and Phanta nothing but the hot infusion. Fanta is the hot infusion and which is least potent and guru. So Swarasa is nothing but the expressed juice. Kalka is the paste, medicated paste, and Kvata is the decoction. Hima is the cold infusion and Fanta is the hot infusion. Next, Panchavida Kashaya yonis of the Kashaya Kalpana. Panch Kashaya yonis are so Madura, Amla, Katu, Tikta and Kashaya rasas are having plenty of the Kasta yonis, that is plant source, and are readily available. And this 5 can be in any form of the Panchavida Kashaya Kalpanas, and these 5 Kashaya will yield 5 Kashaya Kalpanas. So only like Lavana Rasa does not have any Kasta yonis, and it is not possible to bring in any of the Panchavida Kashaya form. And so lavana cannot be used alone, but other rasas can be used alone, and lavana can be used only in combination with any other drugs. And so all rasas except lavana can be processed into like swarasa, kalka, kvata, himafanta, etc. But lavana cannot be processed like that. And due to its shushkata or the dryness, and lavana has no swarasa, and it cannot be transformed into kalka, and instead of becoming kalka it turns into a solution. And on mixing on mixing and grinding on mixing and grinding with the water, so it does not gain any like additional powder, like additional powders when converted powder, and it dissolves itself by absorbing the water. And lavana is not suitable for Swarasa Shruta Fanta Kalpanas, as it turns into solution with a combination of the water. And in Shruta, Sheetha, Fanta, the Sukshmatva, that minuteness of the drugs are separated, and but Lavana as whole it is Sukshma or minute, it cannot be separated into Sara as well as the Kitta Bhaga. And due to this all reasons, this Lavana does not deserve for the Kashaya unis. And this is regarding the today's topic Panchveda Kashaya Kalpanas. So if you have any queries, please to mention in the comment box so that I can resolve. Thank you.